All right, so you got level 2 armor and now you want to install it. So I am going to go ahead and do just a quick swap out to show you how that goes. So here's your jacket, and so the shoulder pad is right there. You can see that easily. Take that out. Go ahead, toss this to the side. The elbow, however, is in there and you can't see it. So to take it out, you don't necessarily need to see it. You can just feel for the Velcro, and then once you get the Velcro undone, just wiggle your hand in there and pull her out just fine. But when you want to put it in, doing it blindly is not the easiest. So what I recommend doing is taking the sleeve and then unzipping, and then just go ahead and pull it through. Then that exposes that, and then grab your level 2 armor. And all right, so now that we have our level 2 armor, and it's easy to tell difference because they're different colors. Same concept, make sure it's at the top, Velcro, slide it in, tuck it in, and line it up. Same situation. Gonna do that. And so if I were you, I'd make sure that you get it flat before you do that. That way it's in the area it's designed to be in. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and dig through. And what I would recommend doing is getting a hold of one side. That way it'll pull out a little bit easier, because I've tried doing it zipped as well as still holding on to it one unit, and it doesn't work as well. So if you only hold on to a piece of it, then you can do that and get an easier flip. So same. And still checking to make sure that it's in the right direction. The elbow pads and shoulder pads are a little bit easier to put in, just because the orientation is a little bit more obvious, because the top end is usually more wide and the bottom is usually more narrow. So that kind of helps with that when you're doing that, whereas the back is just one rectangular piece, so you gotta pay a little bit more attention to it, but it's a little bit easier to get into and switch out if you needed to. So also not a huge deal in that department. So there that is, and then same concept, hold of it. This is what I'm talking about. I got a bad pull that time, so it's bunching up and felt like a Chinese finger trap. So, do that, and then work it through. It's a little annoying, so I wouldn't recommend changing it out of your armor every day, but if you want to, now you know how.